Hey Bubble Babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany, welcome. So today we're filming a very exciting and fun video. We're gonna be doing a review over the new Artist Couture and Club Daddy collection. So if you guys haven't heard, Mac Daddy created a virtual club called Club Daddy, and they collabed with John, also known as Static John. And so they created a whole makeup collection based on the club, which is so awesome. And I thought it would be really fun to review this while tipsy. I honestly don't drink that often, but I've always wanted to do like a drunk makeup tutorial. So this is kind of it, and it's almost the New Year. So like we're trying to celebrate together, you know? And so if you guys want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. So for my alcohol, I got these little buzz balls. I think they're from Christmas, but they are 15% alcohol. None of the liquor stores were open right now, so I had no idea what to get, and I didn't want to drink wine because I feel like that takes some time to give you like a buzz. So I'm gonna pour this in here. So let's drink some of this. I think I poured too much to do a shot, so I'll just try to like chug it, I guess. I can't, guys, I can't. I'm so not used to drinking alcohol. So the last time I drank was with Christian, and we got margaritas, and I just thought they were way too strong. So we decided to drink the alcohol by itself and use the margarita as like a chaser. I threw up all over our bedroom. Ugh. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so let's start with the eyes. As you guys can see, I already did my face. I have no idea what kind of look I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna try to do like a really cool light effect on my eyes, but we'll see how much like patience I have after drinking. But let's start with this color called Bottle Service. Oh my gosh, I could totally feel that alcohol. It's pretty strong for me because I don't drink, remember that. So far so good. That color is pretty pigmented. It's a really good color for a transition. Okay, next little shot. That one does taste like a margarita. It tastes pretty good. So now we're gonna go in with the color Live. It's a really pretty turquoise color. Oh my God, that looks muddy. Oh, maybe I should have done the pink color. And I am gonna come up with ratings to give these products. We'll do light bulbs because with John, you know, Static John.
I'm addicted to light.
He's into light and shit, so we're gonna do that, okay? Yeah, that looks so bad. The actual eyeshadow is not performing bad. It's just my color choices are not the best. But let's add some pink. Yeah, these are a lot more pigmented, I feel like, on the eye than they were swatching, because they swatched not good. Oh my God, that looks crazy. It looks kind of cool though, I like it. Did you guys know that I wanted to be a singer when I was little? And I wish it could like happen. Like I wish I had a good voice, but like I don't. Like I tried to do karaoke the other day when I was home alone, and like it just didn't work out, you know? Like it sounded really bad. It looks like a popsicle. I like popsicles. Yeah. I'm gonna drink another one even though I'm still doing Oh no, I just spilled it all over the boxes. That wasn't even the one I'm drinking. This is a different flavor. Stupid. Christian's gonna have to help me cleanse because it's gonna make my desk all sticky. What if I throw up on camera that? Oh no! My brushes are all wet. It's not good. Yeah. I look like I'm doing a drag look. I look like I'm doing a freaking drag look. But it's pretty. It's really pretty. Yes. Now we cut the crease. We cut the crease. Where's my crease brush? ASMR. Is that it? No. This one's it. This is my favorite crease brush. It works amazing. Let's drink some more. It's good. Tastes like margarita. I can't believe I spilled it all over the boxes. It's so stupid. Okay, I need to concentrate for this. It has to be pretty. Shh. Stop. Dude, stop. Stop your shit. Okay. I'm doing really good. Look at that shit. It's amazing what makeup could do. You know? Like, you just do it and like, it's pretty. I feel like my brain is really good right now. Like, it's pretty good. Ah! Babe, it's the audio recording. Yeah?
Is it?
I'm crying now.
I don't know if the audio's recording. Are you almost done with the video?
Yes! Babe, go away. Stupid. You made me cry because you didn't know if it's recording yet. And you're gonna pack this on the outer part. It's so good. Look at that. It's period. It is period. It is fucking period. Like, look at this shit. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I think it deserves more alcohol. That is gross. Is it even though? Like, this is like berm and this one's like berm. Is it even though? It's not fucking even. Like, is it this side? This side needs to be burr. Like, burr. Okay, we're gonna take the purple instead because, hold on, I'm thirsty. I gotta drink more. This is probably nothing to you guys, but like to me, it makes it feel good because like, I don't drink. I have a Coke too. I have a Coke if it tastes disgusting. But it tastes pretty good. I mean, I can't complain. I lie. Don't. No! I spill it again. I clean it with the makeup wipe. This is, oh, hair. How am I gonna put my eyelashes on? How am I gonna put my, concentrate. We need to make the eyeliner really pretty, like, cause if you mess this up, it will be messed up. I'm concentrating, that's why I'm not talking. You just do a line. This eyeliner, this eyeshadow is 10 out of 10 light bulbs. Man, 10 out of 10 light bulbs. I have light bulbs all around me and it's a 10 out of 10. The sober me is inside of here. It's sober. Like, I can hear myself talking and it's like, you know what you're doing. So don't cuss and like, don't be stupid, you know? That's what the inner me is saying. It says, don't say that. Don't say that. Whoa, my body weighs like 1,000 pounds, bro. Like 1,000 pounds. Let me just finish the eyeliner before I get too lit. Oh, you glue it down and it becomes pretty. Do I look pretty now? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, now I'm about to pee myself, but we have one freaking product to try left. One freaking product. And you know what that is? Is the highlighter. Okay, so this is sag drawn highlighter. It looks like a light bulb. A light bulb! I cleaned the highlighter brush. This is Jaclyn Hill. Okay, so you're gonna put the highlighter on. We're gonna see what this freaking blinding. When I swatch it, it looked like shit, okay? It looked like shit when I swatch it. Oh, shit. Oh, freaking shiz. Oh, yes. When I swatch this, it looked like poop. When I put it on the highlighters, it looks like pretty. 10 out of 10 light bulbs, bitches. I'm gonna drink more. No. No. I need to drink more. to the artist tour. Freak. Yeah, I could read. I need more. Look, it's more glossy, it's more big, you know? The more the big, it's more pretty, you know? Is it pretty? I do this henna. Oh no! I forgot to try this one. It's the Artist Couture Bangers. It's the bangers and it's so pretty. It's like I spill all over it. It's a gold green. Use it as a highlighter. Why I do that? I'm stupid. Damn, highlighter came on fleek, bitches. Okay, now I just have to do my hair and I'll be done with the video and I can go pee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. And this is a 10 out of 10 light bulbs. 10 out of 10. I'm sorry if it's not pretty. I really tried. I was gonna do eyeliner, but I didn't do it because I'm too lit. So make sure you subscribe. I'm sorry if you don't like drunk people. I promise I don't like drunk people either. I'm Brittany, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. Boom. Where's my makeup wipe?